A minute, a little bit more. Hello, everybody. Ma Terry here, and what are we talking about? We're going to talk about my Bluetti battery. I'm doing an unboxing, but I can hear you right now. Ma Terry, you hate your Bluetti. Well, I don't necessarily hate your Bluetti. Why, if this one's a pain in the butt, would you go ahead and buy another Bluetti? Well, okay, here's the thing. Everybody tells me, oh, Lucy wants to go, huh? There you go. What? Everybody tells me how great their Bluetti is, including Bob. And if Bob says it's great, it must be great. The other thing I like about Bluetti is it charges up super fast. I can put my phone right here and it'll charge it. And it also weighs a lot less than my Goal Zero. And it costs a lot less. A Bluetti like this, the EB3A, which is 600 watts, cost under $200. Oh, I have a tag below, but that's not why. I could do it the same with Goal Zero. But my Goal Zero Yeti 500 would be about $700. So there's a big price difference, and this doesn't weigh, I don't think, half as much as the other one because this is a lithium-ion battery. So with that in mind, what is it that I don't like about it? Well, this one was probably made on Friday the 13th and has gremlins, or maybe someone was drinking at the factory. I don't know. But let me show you a little bit what I don't like about it. It does have a recessed handle. However, I could never get the recessed handle out at all, even though it has a little thumb hole here. So I had to put on tape. The other thing is, this was right after the pandemic. I could not get a 12-volt charger, and I like charging things with my 12-volt in my vehicle, and so they told me to use my Goal Zero one. Well, it wasn't specifically made for that, and it would keep falling out of the nipple would keep falling out. We had Nipplegate all the time. So, you know, I'd be driving along thinking my battery's being charged up. It was not. But, however, what made it nice was like, if I was ever running out of battery juice, there was no sun, and I wanted to walk it into Panera Breads, it's nice and lightweight. So that's one of the things I liked about it. Anyhow, I'm going to put this over here, and we're going to unbox the other one. There we go. It's charging up stuff right now. Now, I told Bluetti I want the 12-volt charger, and you know what? This looks like so much better than what I've been using. So this just goes into my 12-volt in the vehicle, and that goes into the import port. And when I unbox it, we'll see if it falls out. Let me untwist it right here. So, I don't know. I have a lot of anxiety. I decided that I have 3 charging ports in my vehicle as I drive down the road, and why not use every charging port? So let me get this out. There we go. Get a knife, Terry. Get a knife. They packed it really, really nicely, and delivery was fast, and right now they are having a good sale on these. So that's why I bought it. I don't know if it's their anniversary or whatever, but you know I can't pass up a sale. There we go. All right. Lovely little, oh, it is a lovely little box that it comes in, and I will show you. But I'm really impressed with this. So, yeah. And like I said, mine was made right after, you know, the pandemic, and no one could get parts anywhere. And maybe somebody was sniffing glue. I don't know. I'm not saying anything, but it was very frustrating. All right. So it says gray 12 volt. There we go. EB3A portable power station. Just making sure everything's correct. Oh, and now the hard part is getting the box open. I don't have any nails, right? I have my nails done for tomorrow. Yes, I do. There we go. Keep this box. Returns cannot be accepted without this box. Bluetti is in Las Vegas. I just drive over there and talk to the people if I have a problem. And they've been really good about that. All right. It is packed in really nice styrofoam. Legend. But, what is this? What did it come with? All right. So it came with a charger. That is really a nice charger, but this is for home. I can't use this. This is 3-prong, so I can't use it in my van. In my van, I do have one 10-volt, but not 3-prong. So that is that. Oh, don't tell me. Okay, so I bought the 12-volt charger. Oh no, this looks like it hooks up with my solar panels. Yep. You only use solar panels with compatible voltage. I do have the Bluetti 200-watt solar panel, and I really, really super do love it. So this is what I will hook to it. Very good, Bluetti, very good. All right, that is one layer of styrofoam. Got it. Oh, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it. Isn't it? Oh, we got the certificate, an official certificate. Please be better than my last one. Did you hear that? That is my handle. The handle works. Oh my gosh. Let me take it out of the bag. Let me throw this here. Yep, this is wonderful. All right, let me turn it around. That is my new Bluetti. Look at that. Look. Let's compare the handle. Oh my gosh, I'm going to take out. I was charging up my fan. This is way better constructed. That is my handle. This is like, I don't know if you can see that right there. That is like, but it is made to be lightweight. But like I said, that never worked. And I'm not the only one that complained about that one. A lot of people complained about that one. This works so, look at that. And it still has the output 15 watt. So wireless charging for my phone. I can just put my phone right there. Maybe after I'm done doing this. Let's see, how much juice does it come with? This is a DC output. So this is 12-volt output. And I love these little buttons. When the green light is on, it's being used. So that's pretty nice. Let's see, is it charged up? Is there any charge on the battery? Nope, the battery is not charged up. But, oh, it's at 57%. See, I just didn't push the right button. So what I'm going to do is use my other Bluetti to charge this one up. I am real. All right, let's check out Nipplegate. Let's check out Nipplegate. Here is my new 12-volt thing. Here's my old Bluetti. Let's do it. Let's do it. I don't have enough power. Where am I going to get some power? I have lots of power. Use me. All right. So we will put you in here. Let's see if it's a good. It should go in deep. There we go. Now, I'm not sure if I can actually charge this one by doing that one, but oh my God, it snapped in. This is fantastic. So, is it going to work? I don't know. I've never done this before, but Nipplegate has been fixed. I am so excited. All right, what? All right, let me check again. All right, apparently I can't use it by charging up with a Bluetti, but I do know I can take this and use my Goal Zero and charge it up. This is fantastic. Nipplegate solid in there, solid in there. All right, problem solved. Anyhow, love my new Bluetti. I'm so happy, but I will let you know, if I have any troubles with this Bluetti, I will just get there. Ooh, I hear it. It's charging at 95%. It just took a minute. It was like, what? I just got off the truck. You took me out of the box and I don't know what I'm doing. It's at 96%, 96 watt input charging. This is wonderful. Anyhow, I know y'all want to see Miss Lucy. Bluetti has redeemed themselves as far as I'm concerned. Under $200. You know what? This will charge, you know, if it's on 110 volt, I have a fast charger. It goes, I think, 150 watts input. It charges super fast. It'll reach, even if you don't have that charger at like 110, it'll recharge up to 10%. Lucy, want to come up and say hi? Of course she does. I am so happy. This means, you know, like something like this will run my refrigerator depending on outside temperature, you know, because my output cooled 21 quart. This will run my refrigerator for 10 to 12 hours. And that is really good. That'll give my big solar panel enough time to charge up my huge battery. So yeah, I mean, this is so good. Anyhow, Miss Lucy, what do you want to say? I want another puppuccino, Mom. You already had a puppuccino, Miss Lucy, and you really liked your puppuccino, didn't you? I am so happy. And my end plan is, you know, you can only get so much output from your van, but when we have no solar, I have to drive. and I have three basically ports that I can plug into. So, you know, when I'm charging one battery, I'm charging all three batteries. You know, two of them sit up front, one in the back. I have a 12-volt port in the back. So this is really going to solve a bunch of problems. Isn't this, Miss Lucy? Yes, it is. And like I said, it's very lightweight, and I can drag it into a senior center, Planet Fitness. Of course, I disguise it and charge it up, and within 1 hour, it's at 80%. So I am so happy. I am so thrilled. I can lift the handle. That is wonderful. Anyhow, please put something in the comments below. What do you think? What kind of small battery do you have, and what are you charging up? We will see you down the road. Bye, everyone, and thanks for being here. Thank you. That was exciting. Well, it was exciting for me, I'll tell you that.